And good morning. Welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike Trip. Currently at Life's a Beach Resort. Had a pleasant 2 days here, but it's time to leave. And you can see all the bikes that are here. It's a few people. Some people decide to go with the bigger bikes. Maybe next time. These are 150s, if I believe. My bike's the nice 110. Anyway, I got over 200 kilometers to go today to Maine Den. So it'd be the longest ride yet. Relatively early start. Still not as early as I should be going, but no worries, I'll get there.
Oh, what a beautiful lake. Looks like we're coming up to a toll booth. Motorbikes just go to the right and do not have to pay. Been doing this a lot today, dodging road construction and trucks. Look like I got some water buffalo here on the right. Looks like some more water flow over here on the right side again. I believe this is my turn, and I don't think I'm too far away from the hotel.
Ride's over. I've checked into my hotel room, the Maine Den Boutique Inn Hotel. So we'll give you a little room tour. Fairly nice. I'll put the link in the description. There it is. Yeah, so today's ride was my longest yet. I'm thinking I was estimating like 220 kilometers. My butt definitely can tell it's been that long. Got to the point where I had to stop every 30 minutes to sort of stretch out my back, my butt, hands, neck, just being tired. But it was a good ride. The first half of the day was not so great. It was along major highway. We went into the mountains, and the last part was fairly remote. I mean, I remember stopping and taking like a 5-10 minute break, and no cars passed me. So it was nice. The only thing, for a large part, the road was segmented. So you got that clunk, clunk, clunk. After about 30, 40 kilometers, it smoothed out somewhat, but for a while, it was annoying. So I couldn't decide if the faster you went, the better it was, or the slower you went, the better it was. But if you like what you're seeing, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think.